today's video we will fix a LG UltraGear monitor not turning on, power adapter, LED codes and a reset guide. So fix one, you can check power cable. Make sure the power cable is firmly plugged into the monitor. Check the other end is properly plugged in into the wall socket and try a different wall outlet to see if the socket is not the problem. The fix 2, you can check the power button. Press the power button once firmly, hold it for around 5 to 10 seconds to see if it responds and look for any small LED light turning on. The fix 3, you can disconnect the power reset. Unplug the monitor from the power outlet, disconnect all cables like HDMI, DisplayPort, etc. and wait for around 5 minutes and plug only the power cable back in and turn it on. The fix 4, you can check input source. Turn on your PC or console first. Press the joystick menu button on the monitor and select the correct input, HDMI or DisplayPort. So, these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.